Yung ating sabing second to the last part of the screening test. September to yung first sa ating rheumatology. So, hoping na maganda ang result. Yan, katatapos lang natin. Galing na ng kanina pa pala natapos yung sa hospital. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tiburtina Station waiting for our train. Kasi kumain muna tayo. At saka, ayan, we're waiting our train here. At saka pala, kinuha ko yung ating mga medicines kasi may pharmacy sa itaas. So, back home. And again, thank you for the support always sa aking Bisnapo channel. And please don't forget to like, comment, share. And by the way, sa ating GoFundMe campaign, maraming salamat to our donors. Thank you so much for supporting ng ating campaign for my emergency expenses. And by the way, just see the description below the reason why I am initiating this GoFundMe campaign. And for those na mayroong PayPal and willing to donate through PayPal, see also below the PayPal account that I have. Mayroon pang mga screening na gagawin ulit. So, babalik tayo. The next schedule will be on the 20th of September. And I hope na yan na yung pinaka last. Otherwise, still on the part of the screening process. But with your prayers, with your help, maraming salamat. Again, also thank you to my family who is always there to support me. My wife, my son, na nandyan palagi. And also to those people na in a way or the other supporting me sa journey ko na ito. Having a dilated cardiomyopathy in an advanced stage. To babes, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much always for hosting us sa iyong bahay this month of August and September. And I know marami diyang mga nagbibigay din sa atin ng lakas loob, lalo na yung mga nagbibigay ng prayers. Thank you so much.